The best thing about the movie is that it is a non-violent movie in which hardly any abusive word has been used. How children collect everyone's votes or petition against the construction, and how come they are ultimately successful in saving that park. Even a few people can bring change in the society. Everyone should know about the political life also, because political life directly influences the public life. But the builder or the developer is not concerned about the environment at all. It does not matter how many trees will be cut. He was only concerned with his own interest, but could have been avoided for the public interest. But public health is never the matter for the movie makers. If a person has ego, anger, greed, jealousy, insensitivity, etc., then such a person is. Hello, viewers. The Archies is a beautiful film. Story is also good. The best thing about the movie is that it is a non-violent movie in which hardly any abusive word has been used. The music of the movie is also very good, and the location of the movie shoot is according to the script, and also the costumes are apt to the script requirement. The movie is based on saving the environment. The movie takes place in a fictional place called Riverdale, where Anglo-Indians live. This movie shows a rich man who had to build his hotel in a park. But that park is so dear and memorable to the people of Riverdale that they did not want to destroy it by building a hotel there. To stop the construction of the hotel in the park, more than 50% votes must be cast by the people of Riverdale in favor of the park. In this movie, it is shown how children collect everyone's votes or petition against the construction, and how come they are ultimately successful in saving that park, which is also called as Green Park. To make the story interesting, a plot has also been included in which Archie is a confused boy who falls in love with two girls simultaneously, Veronica and Betty. The film shows how these girls deal with Archie's crazy mindset. This movie also contains some of the best dialogues, which is, to make an art, you have to go in and not out. And the second best dialogue is, the grass is not greener on the other side. We talk about the positive aspect of the movie, then we can say that environment lovers will really like this movie. The movie teaches that even a few people can bring change in the society. Second positive aspect which is shown in the movie is friendship. Friendship has also been given importance in this movie. Veronica, the daughter of a rich businessman, chose her friends over her father's business, and she has chosen the Green Park instead of her father's hotel. Veronica gives great importance to her friends, irrespective of their bank balance or social standard. This movie also gives message to those who want to leave India and settle down abroad. It says that the grass on the other side is not always green. The next positive message which this movie gave is that everyone should know about the political life also, because political life directly influences the public life, and the movie also shows the competition between corporate interest versus public interest. If we look into the negative aspect of the movie, it is shown in the movie that rich people always take decisions in their own interest and do not think about other people. They think that if they expand their business, they will provide jobs to more number of people, but they do not think about how many people will lose their job. Rich people do not even have time for their own children. This is also shown in the movie. The second negative point is that building a hotel in the middle of a park shows that the builder or the developer is not concerned about the environment at all. It does not matter how many trees will be cut. He was only concerned with his own interest. The last negative point which happens in all the movies is that cigarettes and drinks are shown at many places in the movie, which is helpful in showing the culture of America, but could have been avoided for the public interest. But public health is never the matter for the movie makers.
No! God, please, no! No!
If we look into the stupidity aspect of the movie, the hotel could have been easily built at any other place other than the Green Park. But without thinking about others, developer tried to build the hotel in the Green Park only, for which he has even bribed different people. The second stupidity is of Archie, who was confused between Betty and Veronica. This is something idiotic. Veronica tightly told that Archie don't know the meaning of love. If we see the spiritual aspect of the movie, we can take the example of Veronica's father. Veronica's father was a highly ambitious person. He wanted to expand his business. That means he had a lot of materialistic desires and also had ego. You can like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.